Cryptocurrency, blockchain, mining, foreign concepts, right? A new world is being built on these ideas, and it seems like it's everywhere, but still out of reach. Not any longer. WebDollar is making this world accessible to us all, open for everybody. This is your chance to become part of the new beginning. You don't need anything more than what you're already watching this video on. Any device. Smartphone, laptop, desktop, you just need the desire to be part of this exciting new world with this breakthrough tech. No downloads, no installs, no need to register. Just keep your browser open. Our goal is simple. Make crypto accessible to anybody through a simple platform offering a seamless experience. Does that work for you? Only one way to find out. Open your browser, type in WebDollar.io, and start mining WebDs in seconds. That's it. It doesn't get any easier than this. Join our growing WebDollar community. We're here to answer any questions and support you on your journey to this new world. Share this with your friends. Spread the word. This is your chance to become part of the new beginning. WebDollar.io, the currency of the internet.